My name is Slobodan Milutinovic. I am a professor of the Niš University in Serbia, and here I am in the capacity of external expert, helping the project team with developing a manual for local water security action planning and any other project activity. Concerning the role of local water security in the process of creating growth and stability, I think it's a very important role. So the region, the MENA region, is very in a very bad position in terms of availability of water, in terms of transboundary water, and I think that all those activities, especially activities at the local level connected with local water security planning, will contribute to further growth. If we want to answer the questions concerning the concrete activities and manual for local water security action planning, this methodology is already developed. We launched the manual today. I hope that this manual will be of a great help for local communities in Middle East and North Africa, and that it will help them to produce good policies, to develop good policy papers, local action plans, and further to contribute the growth of their local communities. Having in mind that the local level in Middle East and North Africa has their own specialities, has their own shortages, we hope that local water security planning will initiate much more processes on decentralization in the region.